Dear students, we are in JEE Mathematics and we are in complex numbers. Until now 20 questions we have done. Today we are going to do 4 more questions, 4 videos, okay, from question number 21 to 24. Let us see what they have given. This question is asked in JEE 2010, a little bit bigger question. Let us see. Let Z1 and Z2 be two distinct complex numbers. Distinct complex numbers means Z1 is not equal to Z2. Both are different but both are complex numbers. Like that you have to understand. Distinct. Z is equal to 1 minus t into Z1 plus t into Z2. See here t is a constant real number. Okay, 1 minus that real number. T value also they have given. This is not equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, automatically this is going to become 0 and this is going to become 0 only. This is also going to become 0. If t is 0, that is why t is not 0, not 1. In between 0 and 1. Okay. If argument of w denotes the principal argument of a non-zero complex number w, then what is the answer? Like they are asking. Okay. Now step by step we will do. Observe carefully. Why? Because see here, this is a special question. Here, what is not correct, like they have not asked, immediately you can grasp this. This is not correct, like A, C, D, all are correct. A, C, D, that means you have to keep 3 answers. A, C, D. Okay? How it is and all, let us see. Okay, now once again I will write this one. You see, Z is equal to 1 minus t into Z1 plus t into Z2. See what I am writing, observe carefully. See 1 minus t into Z1. Okay, see t is to 1 minus t, I will write here. This is Z. Okay, this is see 1 minus t into Z1. That means Z1 I will write here. Z2 I will write here. T into Z2, 1 minus t into Z1 divided by t plus 1 by t. If like that it is appearing, yes, then what I am doing, observe carefully here. See here, I will take this as A, this as B and this as C. Okay, see how I am changing this. Z is equal to 1 minus t into Z1 plus t into Z2 divided by 1 minus t plus t. Definitely I can write. Why? Because see, minus t plus t going to get cancelled out. 1 will be there. Something divided by 1 we can write. That is not a problem. Then I am keeping this parenthesis again. 1 minus t plus t. Okay. Now come back here. You see, Z is a complex number of Z1 and Z2 divided in the ratio of t is to 1 by t. See, 1 by t into Z1 plus t into Z2 divided by t into 1 minus t. Same thing has happened. Now you tell me, if this is in this mode, automatically Z1, Z, Z2 are collinear. Therefore, Z1, comma Z, comma Z2 are collinear. All are in one line. If all are in one line, what is the argument? Argument is 0. That is one thing. Another thing you see here, first option A, Z minus Z1. You see, Z minus Z1 plus Z2 minus Z is equal to Z2 minus Z1. Yes, why? Because see, AB plus BC is equal to AC. Like vector, AB plus BC is equal to AC. Okay? AB plus BC is equal to AC. What is AB? AB means vector Z minus Z1. Z minus Z1 plus what is BC? Z2 minus Z. Z2 minus Z. Okay, is equal to what is AC? AC is Z2 minus Z1. Z2 minus Z1. Okay, now go back again here. Z minus Z1, Z minus Z2. Okay, see here modulus is there. Modulus. If modulus is there means automatically you can write this as Z minus Z1 same, no problem. Plus this you can write Z minus Z2. Why? Because modulus. Without modulus z2 minus z1, with modulus z minus z2 also you can write, okay? Or else this is going to give negative number. Negative number modulus is going to become positive. Z1 minus Z2, but Z2 minus Z1 is there, but modulus we are keeping, that is why Z1 minus Z2. Is it correct first? Definitely correct. That is why this I am putting this tick mark. That means see for this A, C, D, 3 answers will come. Okay. What is not correct means B is not correct. That also we will prove. Now go back. Now see, we have seen already these vectors like complex numbers AB plus BC is equal to AC like. If you put modulus, automatically AB or BC or BA both are going to become same. Why? Because modulus is going to make a negative number as positive. That is okay. What about argument? See, argument means here argument of AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Why? Because all are collinear. Okay, shall I write like this? You see, argument of AB is equal to argument of BC is equal to argument of AC. AB, BC, AC. All are same. Why? Because all are in one line. Same angle. Argument means theta only, no? Angle. Okay, now see how can we write here? These two are there. Wait carefully. Why? Because see here they have not kept. Here we have kept what we can say modulus. That is why answer has come. But here modulus is not there. Here modulus is there. Here modulus is there. Actually, this is determinant. But here modulus is not there. Carefully, how to see? See, argument of z minus z1 means what? Z minus z1 means AB. Okay. Now again I am writing argument of z minus z1. Okay. Argument of z minus z2. You see, z minus z2 means z2 minus z is okay. Z minus z2 means negative will come. Negative number. That is why this is not correct. What you have read? Z2 minus z. Z2 minus z. Or z2 minus z1. Both are same. See, in vector, AB means B minus A. AC means C minus A. BC means C minus B. BC means B minus C. If you write, that is negative. BC is equal to minus of B minus C plus C minus B. BC means C minus B. Okay? That is the case. Argument of z minus z1 means z2 z1. Argument of z2 minus z1. See, z2 minus z1. Z2 minus z1. This is correct. Argument of z minus z1 is equal to z2 minus z1. See, this is like, if at all modulus is there, then B also will correct. If modulus is there, if you apply modulus, then B also correct. But modulus is not there. That is why that is not correct. Okay. Okay. Now see, two options are over. Three options are over. That is not correct. Now come back here. Come back here. Because this is a good question. That is why I have taken one daily. See here. Now go back again. Z2 minus Z1. See this one. See, argument of z minus z1 is equal to z2 minus z1. Once again I will write. You see what I am changing. Argument of z minus z1 is equal to argument of z2 minus z1. Shall I write like this? Argument of z minus z1 by z2 minus z1 is equal to 0. See, algebra, as per algebra, if it comes this side, automatically here 1 will be there. But this is not algebra, this is argument. Vectors. In vector, this is a theta. Division means angle is going to become minus, negative. Multiplication means angle is going to become addition. Okay? But here division you are dividing. You are dividing means theta minus theta. When both theta are same, theta minus theta. RL shall write that is equal to 0. Okay? Theta 0 means what? Argument. Real number. Why? Because imaginary part is 0. See, z is equal to x plus I 0. Here, if angle is 0 means real number. Real number means I 0 is 0. Okay, only real number. When it is real number, automatically implies z minus z1 by z2 minus z1 belongs to R. real number. If that is the case, shall I write like this? You see, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1 is equal to conjugate of z minus conjugate of z1 by conjugate of z2 minus conjugate of z1. Shall I write like this? Okay, definitely I can write. If this is the case, automatically shall I write this? Why? Because see, if you cross multiply this and this, going to become equal. Or else I can write this also. Z minus z1, z2 minus z1, modulus conjugate of z minus z1, conjugate of z2 minus z1 is equal to 0. Why? AD minus BC equal to 0 or AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. Okay, same thing happened. That means this is also correct. Now A, C, D are correct, B is not correct. If you put here modulus, automatically this is also going to become correct. Okay, this is a good question. Take this, we will go for next question.